I went with some students to one beautiful place, and they taught me so much on the way and also as we reached there. For example, many of you were practicing for next Olympiad. I just jokingly said that just you see that traffic sign, from this point to that traffic sign, please run. And really, like school kids, they should be seriously and started running with each other and trying to out-compete each one. Means it clearly shows that we still have that school kid mentality in us. And with that mentality, certain things you can do outdoors, outside the class, outside the toilets, inside the canteen, below the trees, outside and inside the bushes, inside and outside the cars. All these are acceptable norms. But for serious topics, from serious students, and because you need to have real interest in that area. Sujata Dabolkar is a product of St. Mary's College, Mapsa, LCD, USC, Botany and Microbiology, and then she joined NSC here because at that moment we were admitting its students also. Now it is 56 units. It used to be a lot of students in combination of PhD, botany, chemistry, botany and microbiology, botany and biotechnology. Now, last 2-3 years it is 6 units. So now, after that, she was interested in doing something in microbiology area, so she joined me to work on a very challenging novel topic called fungi, which in fact seashells on beaches. That area is known as calcium microcavitalology. So this fungi produce organic acid which dissolve the calcium carbonate organomineral matrix of the shells, and then they play a very important role in global carbon cycle. And she has worked on it. And she also worked on another new topic because she is from Kaisua, within Manjuna village Panchayat, and very close to the beach and the river also, Shapsa. So she treks a lot and walks a lot, and she likes traveling also. So I knew that, and I asked her to look for certain specimens of Baltic angle. Baltic angle, you know that Baltic is the ocean sea in the north, the boundary of Europe, northern boundary. There in the sediment you get fossilized plant resins, which are basically simple, you know that compounds called sulfuric acid. So when trees get injured, they produce this latex-like thing called resins, which gets hardens, and while hardening it traps any life inside it, including butterflies, bees, anything. Depends on how big is the tree and how much exudate of these resins it produces. Now that resin, it falls down, gets mixed in the soil, it is very hard, it's like a cement, and then it's transparent, and that is known as Baltic angle. So thousands and thousands of these species are washed by the snow, rain, everything to the streams, then river, and then ocean, and in ocean sediment for millions of years they get accumulated because most of these resins are 50 to 130 million years old and trapped within the resin, transparent glass like those organisms, and we call them as biogenic amber. So I asked her to purchase a kilogram of amber from used to market Russians were selling. They were bringing it from chartered flights from Russia and selling. So we had to do taste by burning it and doing spectroscopy and all that. It is really a Baltic amber and not pieces of plastic. It took some time. Then after half a kilogram we purchased, and then all those hundreds of pieces were scanned under microscope, and then she identified specimens which had fungi, bacteria, actinobacteria, and insect and pollens and trichomes and all these, and all that has been compiled into her MSc dissertation, and she has published, you can read online papers also. So she is one of the few students of Goa University Department of Botany and other departments who has many papers based on her MSc dissertation even before she joined PhD under me. Now she is working on a very interesting topic of biomining of gold because there is a lot of potential for gold biomining in Goa, and last 3.5 years she is working on it. So this has taken us, this whole project, to countries where a lot of the scientists who are working in gold mining, they come, meet and exchange. Not only gold but other areas of mining also, because there is a lot of demand for gold. India spends $32 billion per year in import gold, and cost her 8,000 rupees and today it may be 20,000 rupees. And she has also taken away my wedding ring also and saying that she will protect it. But I have some other idea why she has taken it. Okay, but so why I am talking about gold? Because it is sound investment today to keep your money parked in gold and in banks. The banks are all getting bankrupt. Take away your money from bank, ask your parents to break their safe deposits and ask them to heavily invest in gold when the prices are low. Why? I am happy that my wife, this gold chain, suppose now my wallet is stolen and I am stuck on a railway station. At least 8 to 10,000 rupees I can easily get in cash if I go to a goldsmith or a shop and then it's a way at So in emergency people used to wear this gold. Remember, whenever they used to travel. And this is your insurance. This is your insurance. Suppose I ask them, keep my first they are mad like that. So I don't have any money coming out of it. Then you see this is from Amritsar, Suvarnamati, who will take this? Understood? So you say no, we get this, so this is my final insurance. The projection by the gold expert is today gold is hovering between 37,000 to 39,000 for 10 grams. Means how much for one gram? 39,000. How much for 1 gram? Sure. So if you people do not take interest in gold, so 3,700 ते 3,900 रुपये ग्रॅम असेल आणि 2025 that is the estimate by the World Gold Council and other experts. They have calculated how much gold is available, how much is produced by 30 gold producer countries, and they have calculated how gold prices are going to escalate with various international tensions. Then the problem with Gulf and all, and they said that by 2025 gold will be 5,000 rupees per gram. So what it means is my supply, which is 20,000 rupees today, will be 35,000 rupees in 2025. I am very happy about it. Understood? So तुमच्याकडे चेक करा किती असं काकणा सगळी मुली